Okay guys, you're here because you simply want to delete a playlist from your YouTube channel or a playlist that you created. So what you need to do is go to the top right corner here and click on your picture here, and then drop down to YouTube Studio. Okay, once you're in here, to the far left side here, you'll see all the columns here, and it says playlist. Go ahead and click on playlist. Okay, once you're inside here, you'll see all the playlists that you created or that you have, and then go to the playlist that you want to delete. Click on that playlist. Okay, once you're in here, you'll see this three dot here, right? These three little dots here. Go ahead and click that. In here, you can have the option of adding videos to this playlist, or collaborate, playlist settings, and then delete playlist. Okay, so if you're here just to delete your playlist, go ahead and press delete playlist, and make sure you really want to delete it, and then press delete. Okay, so you guys, thank you for coming by, and please like and subscribe. Okay, thank you.